VTX is not available, but is enabled in BIOS. Recently I started having an issue with VTX on my Windows 10 running on HP EliteBook. I was using Oracle VirtualBox to run some VMS on it before, and VTX was enabled in BIOS and was working fine. I started getting VTX is not available error every time I was trying to start any of my VMS. That started happening after I installed Docker on my machine, so I tried uninstalling it and rebooting. Didn't help. I checked BIOS settings and it says VTX is enabled, but checking with Intel processor identification utility shows that VTX is not supported, and Oracle VirtualBox also doesn't see it. There were no hardware changes, and the only software change was installing/uninstalling Docker. How can this issue be fixed?
There are three common culprits for the type of error the user is seeing. VTX is not enabled in the BIOS. The CPU doesn't support VTX. Hyper-V virtualization is enabled in Windows. Since the user already eliminated the first two possible culprits, the next step is to open a command prompt as administrator and run the following command. Afterwards, reboot the PC and try VirtualBox again.
After updating Windows 10 to Fall Creators Update, I got the same issue. I resolved it by the following steps. Enable all features under Hyper-V and turn Windows features on or off. Restart. Disable all features under Hyper-V and turn Windows features on or off. Restart. Now VirtualBox is working again and it shows 64-bit in its list of operating systems.
When I had this problem, VMware Player gave a better diagnostic response than VirtualBox did when I tried to create a 64-bit virtual machine. It said that my machine had the Enterprise Features Device Guard and Credential Guard enabled. I suppose they became enabled when I ran Malwarebytes. I can't think of any other change I made. VMware Player pointed me to a page called Manage Windows Defender Credential Guard. That page has a bunch of stuff about Group Policy Manager settings and the like, which of course are irrelevant to a W10 home installation. In turn, that page pointed me to the Device Guard and Credential Guard Hardware Readiness Tool, a PowerShell tool for enabling and disabling this feature set on servers. Running that tool in a run as administrator PowerShell and giving this command. Took me through the process of disabling those features. And I have virtualization capability back.
If you're using the lasted Windows 10 build, disable memory integration in device security and reboot. I was facing similar issue VirtualBox when I enabled this option. Disabling it worked for me.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.